In this video, we're going to look at how Quantexa's decision intelligence platform is helping insurers drive hyper-personalized experiences and profitable growth. Let's imagine we have an existing home policy customer, Anne Morris. This is the typical view that a lot of insurers would have of their policyholders, information about the policy itself, the premium, the renewal dates, the address, date of birth, all of that sort of information. But based on this limited view, what can you really do to engage Anne in a personalised way? What are the products and services that are most relevant to her? And when should you be talking to her about those topics? It's really difficult, and you need to build a much more contextual view to really drive that personalisation. Now, furthermore, for many insurers, particularly multi-line insurers, the picture becomes very fragmented because Anne might not only be a home insurance customer, but she might also appear, for example, with pet insurance, maybe with the same name, maybe extended to Elizabeth Morris, with the same date of birth, but potentially a different address. Maybe this is a slightly older policy, and it's when she was actually living on Paradise Row rather than Welbeck Street. And then we have another policy, and in this case, this is an auto policy, but it's a previous policy, so this is lapsed. And here we've got, potentially through an embedded insurance channel or potentially an agent, maybe a slightly poorer quality set of data where maybe Anne is slightly misspelt, we've only got a partial date of birth, but we have the same address there. Now, this is pretty typical in terms of what we see in many of our customers, and they're still struggling with this policy-centric view of customers versus a customer-centric view that is key to really driving that personalization and enhancing that customer experience. So, how does Quantexa help? Well, first of all, through entity resolution, we're able to stitch all of this information together by taking into account various attributes that exist across all of these records and triangulating and linking in turn to build a single entity view around this individual. So in this case, Quantexa would recognize similarities between names, addresses, dates of birth, lots of other bits of information, and create a single view of this individual, Anne Morris. You can think of this really as a customer 360. Now, obviously, you've moved from policy-centric to customer-centric. This isn't a one-time thing. You want to be able to keep this always up to date as behavior changes, as new data enters the system, as new information becomes available. For example, Anne might have just popped up in a price comparison website quote. And actually, we can see that the vehicle involved in that quote is the same vehicle that's associated with this previous auto policy. And through the information available in that quote, we tie it to the same Anne Morris, creating a bit more context and understanding a little bit more dynamic information about Anne and some of her behaviours. Now, it's great that we've built this 360 view of Anne and some of her behaviours, but actually we can go a step further than that and look at connections, relationships, for example, households. In this case, for example, we might see that actually there's a named driver on this historical auto policy, a John Morris. And we see that actually John Morris is also an existing auto policy holder. So this is an active policy, and in this case for a different vehicle. But all of this is linked through to the same address in exactly the same way that we described. By using the different attributes and different bits of data, we can build that single view of individuals. Exactly the same applies for addresses, where we might bring different versions of the address together to build that connection and help the insurer understand that it all links to the same household in this case. Now we've got a much richer view of information that we can use to start making decisions on how to engage Anne. For example, in this case, we now know that Anne is likely to be a profitable customer based on the lack of claims across this network. We haven't seen any claims across any of these policies. We know that she's likely in the market for auto insurance because we can see from the dates associated with the previous policy as well as the recent PCW quote that she's looking to insure likely that same vehicle. And we can also see that there's potential for some bundling offers here as well. She's an existing home insurance customer, so we could potentially be bundling home and auto together into an offer for Anne. And also we can see a couple of vehicles that are being insured at that same household, so there could be a potential for a multi-car discount there. Now, obviously there's quite a lot of information across this network, and it's key that this is simplified into a key insight or nudge that can be presented to the customer to help arrive at that decision. In this case, we can see from historical behaviour that Anne's preferred channel is mobile, and particularly in-app notifications. And so as a result of this, we're able to automatically trigger a notification into the mobile app for Anne to pick up. And that notification lets her know about the availability of those offers. So specifically, the opportunity to bundle home and motor together to get a preferential rate, and similarly, the multi-car discount available to her. Anne's super happy about that. She's received a really timely notification. She's in the market at the moment, and she's also got a really competitive rate. She's pleased to go ahead, and she goes ahead with both of those insurance policies. Now, as well as that insight being used to trigger a notification to Anne, that information is also available through other platforms and systems for other users. For example, policy admin systems, CRM systems. So actually, as Anne engages customer service teams or other agents, they have access to exactly the same information, and she receives a super smooth omnichannel experience. Now here we've obviously been focused on Anne and the insights available around her connected view and how that can be used to drive personalized experience. But in reality, we can be building these connected views and analyzing these at scale across the full customer base. So every single customer is receiving those timely notifications, receiving that hyper-personalized experience based on any changes in their behaviors or other underlying data. Now, this personalization can be taken even further by, for example, layering in external data, such as corporate registry data. Let's imagine the scenario where sometime further down the line, Anne sets up a new business, Morris Clothing, and it actually pops up in one of the data sets that we're pulling into the platform. Let's say it's a corporate registry data set that has information about that business, and it identifies a person, Anne Morris, as the sole director. Again, through entity resolution, by looking at similarities at some of the details around that director, we're able to identify that that is the same Anne Morris that is an existing customer and is already holding multiple policies. As a result, the next time that Anne logs into her app, her preferred channel as we found earlier, she also starts receiving notifications or information about commercial policies that might be of interest. Again, she's pleased to receive that. She's been thinking recently about what commercial cover she might need in place for the new business she's set up, and she goes ahead with some commercial contents cover to cover the new shop. Now, this connected view of Anne is not only helpful to drive hyper-personalization and growth, but also for other key decision points across the customer lifecycle. For example, claims experience. Let's fast forward a year, and unfortunately Anne has been the victim of theft from her home, and she raises a claim against that home policy. Now, the claims team have got access to a much richer understanding of Anne, including policies across different lines, any historical claims associated with the policies across this connected view, which might have appeared in the last year or so. And they understand the total value of this relationship to the insurer, all the way across the personal lines as well as even potentially into the small business area as well. This gives them much more information to understand, first of all, how fast they might want to process that claim and is there a prioritization that might happen there, but also whether or not to pay the claim alongside some of the other information that'll obviously be taken into account. In this case, it results in a very seamless experience for Anne. Her claim gets paid out quickly and she goes away a happy customer. So what we've seen here is how Quantexa uses entity resolution and graph generation to stitch together fragmented data, bringing more context to decision-making to enable hyper-personalization, to drive profitable growth, and to enhance customer experience.